Yo, what's up, Azam? What up, Samakai? Yo. I hope I'm well. I'm doing great, brother. I'm doing great. Let's try to get a nice dub today. Dude, we kind of just sold like 300 points overnight, which is kind of crazy. But you know, I was kind of looking at these lows since yesterday, so I guess it's fine. I'm looking bullish today, just based off of all these sweeps that we got, right? Swapped all this like liquidity right here to the downside, so I'm looking for some sort of reversal. And honestly, I'm looking at these inversions right here right now, so if we continue to get nice momentum through here, I might take a long. If ideally we kind of close above right here and do something like this, I'm not against that for sure. Honestly, I'm gonna enter early to a market open before market open, so I'm gonna go in like 3 micros today and just try to see if we could do anything. So yeah, I'm in 3 micros and my trades. I have a super tight stop just like right here. See what happens. Stop might be too tight, but you know, I'll just give it a really small stab. Just to fucking see, bro. Oh, okay, never mind. I got insta stopped. All right, never mind. Are we down 100 to start the day? I still like longs though, I will say. I still like longs, so. I think it didn't quite work yet because we didn't close above this 1 minute yet. So once market opens and we close above, either that or we open up a new inversion right here, I will take that long. We'll just see. Yeah, once market opens, maybe we get like an internal sweep too. Okay, we kind of bearish for a little bit. I don't know what this sell-off is, but kind of bearish reaction, I'm not gonna lie. So maybe we want lower. Maybe. We also have this 4-hour fair value gap fill that we could be aiming for. So there's that internal sweep. So we swept this internal right here, right? If we reverse up here, that would be good. All right, 1 minute till market open. Let's see what happens. Like I said, we close above. I would like that. All right. Well, I'm gonna enter a long again. See what happens. So. Back in 3 micros. Try to hold today, I guess. If we close above, then I'll maybe scale in just a little bit. If like close above over here. But so far, just light size again, so. Okay, never mind. That's another loss. 2 super small losses. I was kind of hoping we would just kind of close above right here and then reverse, but you know, that's kind of me thinking we're bullish. So far, it's kind of given vibes that we're still bearish. So we're just gonna see, right? We still have this 4-hour fair value gap lower. I wanted to get a little early entry in, go in super light size and see if I could get in, just hold, but didn't quite get it. So we're just looking at these 4-hour gaps now. Let me check ES real quick. ES could be drawn towards this too. Like I said, I still like that idea for long, so I guess I'll just wait for this one to break. Kind of unfortunate, but we did sweep it kind of somewhat right there. I'll just play the reaction now, I guess. Technically, I didn't wait. Both my trades so far, I didn't wait for the proper entry, like the closure above. I was just kind of anticipating for it to break, but yeah, let's see. A lot of potential for upside though. Kind of still selling off though. Like I said, we might bounce after retracing into this 4-hour gap. If not, we might just end up pushing towards this volume imbalance right here, or filling in this fair value gap. So maybe I was wrong. Maybe. Let's see. So far, it looks like we're holding this fair value gap and just been selling off. So. Okay, so we swept. Okay, we finally tapped back into this 4-hour. We're kind of digging into it now. I'm still down 294 on the day. See if I could flip that somehow. But you know, if we don't find anything, obviously I'll just take the L on the day. But yeah, let's just see. So far, like I said, we're still selling off. So. Super aggressive sell-off still. I think the reason we're also still selling off as well is ES didn't sweep this like low right here. I don't know what low this is. Somewhat of SMT, but we might be pushing towards this low on ES, so it's kind of dragging NQ down with it. Did we get a retrace or something? I mean, okay, so this is my new like conditional fair value app. Is if we inverse this is obviously good for longs. If not, we retrace into here. Probably continue short. So just kind of keeping an eye on it. I'm gonna take a stab short, see if we could get a flip. Late sumo up 100 points on Anki shorts. Nice, nice brother. I'm just waiting to see if ES could sweep this right here. So I think we did sweep it on ES, yeah. I don't know if we're gonna continue selling off. Let's see. I got tag break even on this, by the way. We're digging nicely into this 4-hour fair value gap. So I think honestly we could just be short today. Retracing possibly into this volume imbalance, but yeah. But like I said, I'm just waiting for a reaction, how we react off of these fair value gaps. If we get like a nice kind of closure out, I might just take it short. If we manage to somehow close back above all these right here, potential long. So far, it's kind of a bearish reaction off of this fair value gap, so might try taking the flip on this actually. All right, I'm taking a stab short. Stop us at this high, and honestly, TP could be at like 300-ish. Wow, I was 1 point from getting filled out on my TP. Don't tag me break even again, brother. Please. Please. Okay, I got tagged break even again. So far today's I've taken 4 trades already. 2 break even, 2 small losses. I'm trying to find a good one, but all right. I think the break even might help me, but I was so close to having my TP filled out right there. I was like this close. It was like a point away. But yeah, let's kind of see. So far, we're still, like I said, down 290 on the day. Had those 2 small losses earlier and then 2 break evens. Kind of just looking for something if we could get it. So far, probably won't take another trade for a little bit. See if something pans out. Of course, it continues to go short after I get stopped break even. Like I said, we're just fucking selling off into this volume imbalance, bro. Holy shit. Super aggressive flip up right there. Holy, look at this. God damn, we just selling off, bro. Holy shit. All right, my next target is 269. 269 I'm looking at. See if I can get a short in there. Damn, we just sold off 400 points. That's crazy. Let's see if I get an entry. Okay, so look, we're just inversing this now, which I kind of want to try longs. We kind of tab back into this gap. Yeah, that, or I might just call it. We'll see. But let me see. I don't know if I want to take another trade or not. Yeah, I think I'm just, I don't know, bro. We've just sold off fucking 400 points since overnight. Market open, sold. Let's see, an additional 200-ish. I was honestly looking for longs earlier in the morning. Like I said, tried it, didn't get it, down 290, and they had another 2 break-even trades. If we were to go short, I was probably thinking we fill in this void, but we're kind of just buying back up now, so let's see. Yo, what's up, Duma? I was getting ready to end stream, brother. Yeah. I 2 losses, 2 break even so far. I tried longing near open and it didn't quite work, so we're just kind of chilling, I guess. I couldn't find a trade off open, so I'm down 290 on the day. So 290 across all my accounts. So I'm just seeing if I want to take another trade or not. Unlucky, yes sir. Yeah. Take the break for today, yeah, but I think I might. I'm not really interested in trading this. Do we have news tomorrow? So no news today or tomorrow. We kind of just been having hella volatility, which is fine. So yeah, I think I'll just take my loss for the day and I'll come back tomorrow and then we'll see what happens. So that is it for me, guys. Good luck if you trade. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.